know when you buy this facility it's a mismanaged facility. I mean, he's not 80 to 90% occupied, which is what you really shoot for. Okay, 27% are past due. Inside Google Business Listings, you tell them like this file doesn't, I mean, this picture doesn't belong here or something, and then I guess Google looks at it and they'll take it off. So it takes a little bit, it takes a minute to do that. Okay, so we'll clean up these pictures and we'll get good fresh pictures in here, some marketing pictures and stuff like that. Okay. So Google Business Listing is looking pretty good here. The reviews are not really too bad. We're working on trying to get more reviews, and we'll really work on trying to clean this up, because this is a very big important part of like your owning your facility, because really the number one way that people look for storage is just go on their phone, go onto Google Maps and just click on like storage near me. All right, so you want to make sure this looks good. Okay, and then another thing is that our storage software is already up and running. Okay, so basically the process so we use storage internally, and the process for getting it up and running actually takes quite a long time. The onboarding process this is not like an instant flip switch thing, all right? So we've been working, remember I said the onboarding process is like those couple months right before you close on the facility. So we have been working together with the owner who was previously using SiteLink to get storage up and running. And so, Storable owns SiteLink, StoreEdge, and ESS. And so they can internally do whatever they do to just kind of switch everything over. And that's the process that we went through to work with them. Now, obviously, they have, they tell us what they need to do and stuff, and you go through the process. But we worked on this over the course of the last, couple months, and really got everything up and running so that we could, on day one, when we owned this facility, which was Monday, we could just, have a StoreEdge, flip the switch, whatever they do internally, to have us have StoreEdge up and running. So that means like, all these units that you see here, right? These are all internally added, all the 5x10s, all the 10x10s, all the 10x20s, whatever sizes that we have are all internally added into StoreEdge, and then they mark it either as late or available or rented, right? So paid up, right? So the blues are all pay, the green are available, and the red are past due. Right. So that's so StoreEdge is up and running. Okay. And so let me see here. That's fine. Let me go to the dashboard here. Yeah. So in the dashboard for Carrollton, you could see here that so right now, as of right now, the numbers are correct in the occupancy. You can see 53% is what we have now. We have our 53% occupied. All right, so when you buy this facility, it's a mismanaged facility. I mean, he's not 80 to 90% occupied, which is what you really shoot for. Okay, 27% are past due. And then we have 74 tenants, and then we already have one lead. Look, see, we already have one lead coming in. And that's kind of how this works. And this is how StoreEdge works, the interface. This is how it looks. So you can always see how many people have seen, like you've got 44 people that have been there for 2+ years. Okay. And then you have 13 people that have been 1 to 2 years. And so you can kind of get a good overview of like what your tenants look like. So I just wanted to show you those two things are done now. When we transferred everything over on Monday, this got done and this got done. Okay, so those are two big things that this is not normal for a lot of facilities. It takes a long time. So for instance, we closed on our facility in Tennessee, and the owner would not cooperate with us after closing, and it just took forever to get anything and everything that we needed. It took months. So a lot of times it doesn't work out this way, but this one I'm really excited because we're just like ready to go. Now we need to manage this thing, is what we need to do.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.